Let's secure your WordPress site against brute force attacks by setting up failed login blocking. Admin optimizers block failed login module IP bans users after a specified number of failed login attempts. It gives you full control over how many failed attempts trigger a ban, as well as how long that ban lasts. To get started, open the Admin Optimizer Modules page in your WordPress admin dashboard. Here, access the Security section to view all security modules. Within the Security section, ensure the Block Failed Login module is enabled. Afterward, click Block Failed Login in the WordPress sidebar under the Admin Optimizer plugin to access its configuration options. You'll be able to fine-tune how your site responds to failed logins for better protection. You can fully configure this page as you find right. Just ensure you aren't too strict, so legitimate users aren't blocked. As a general rule, setting the failed login limit anywhere from 3 to 5 attempts works best. This blocks attackers from quickly retrying passwords, but still allows tolerance for user mistakes. Enter the lockout time in minutes, for example, 30. This will block access after repeated failures, making it harder for automated bots to keep trying passwords within a short time frame. Set the number of temporary lockouts before enforcing a 24-hour ban. This extended lockout stops persistent attackers who try logging in repeatedly over several attempts. Enable hide login form after multiple lockouts by checking the box. This adds another barrier by making the login form unavailable to anyone who triggers too many lockouts, deterring further attack attempts. Finally, click Save Changes. Your settings are now applied, protecting your site by blocking suspicious login activity and reducing the risk of brute force attacks. If any users are blocked, their IP address and username will be recorded in the lockout log at the bottom. If you want, you can manually extend the lockout duration or remove the block.